Hi everybody out there. Please be welcome to this short video presentation. The purpose of this video is to introduce myself. So I'm going to share important information about me, as my name, my age, my occupation, where do I come from, and my background or experience teaching. So my full name is Carlos Alberto Castro Causil. My occupation, now I'm just a student. So I'm a student at UNAD University in the program of Bachelor in English as a Second Language. I'm 37 years old, and I born in Cartagena, but I was raised in Montelibano, Córdoba. That's place at southeast or at south of the department of Córdoba. And most of my life I've worked as a teacher for a living. Now I'm not working. I'm trying to fulfill my studies, and that's kind of the experience I have had teaching. I was working on weekends in an institute teaching English to teenagers and adults, and that's kind of what it have been like, the experience I have with teaching. So that's it. I hope you like this video, and until next opportunity. Goodbye.